Travel with style and comfort with the all-new Force Traveler Tourer, customized by Bomb for Force, Shillong. Enjoy its big and comfortable cabin along with its large boot space. A new leather interior along with furnished floors, individual charging stations, personalized overhead air conditioning with pleasant after-dark lighting, comfortable reclining seats, adjustable side mirrors, and aerodynamic luggage carrier. For more customizable options, contact Bomb for Force, 3rd Mile, Upper Shillong.
Iaknieh Tiket BJP in North Shillong constituency, mentag lanang khamitenat shushu hakaboba Martam Lympung ubade way na kibepan tiket BJP, hagasi pale ularai ban Weng Noh, ban rai pat ban ajeng kershan no uba Michael Kharkrang ban penyo tiket BJP na kanika constituency. Tiket BJP in North Shillong, ladon Iaknieh hapdeng uba Michael Kharkrang beruba Kharkrang, ubadang shu penyaso eladiation shaka BJP. Habakran hakla pathai kubor uba Michael Kharkrang lakintai war bayak tiket BJP na North Shillong na dab ban rai ban ai uba Kharkrang da ka baom judan bala ban rai lupa tang da kinongelam ka BJP Meghalaya rekat kum kirukom de ka BJP Central Election Committee ringkat ka party high command ka ban shemye ka rai yano ka ibit ban pinyakun na ka tiket.
And we would like to give a very good news to our supporters, to our friends from the 17 North Shillong. But as of today, we have decided that both of us, we have teamed up that we will fight the BJP on a BJP ticket from the 17 North. I give my thanks to Martam. He has given us the support that he will for henceforth not contest anymore the election, and he will work together to have a single for us to work together. So that is the message that is being said today from our side, the message that we want to give to our supporters from the 17 North Shillong. Another thing that we would like to clarify to the press is that as of now, since there are many rumors that has been gone in 17 North Shillong that the ticket has been allotted to this particular candidate or that particular candidate, as you all know, we are two senior BJP members here. I'm also a person who have contested from the party in the 2018 elections from Umsning constituency, and same thing, Ma is a former MDC and also is a senior BJP member. The fact of the matter is that BJP is such a party that it is based on so many aspects, but they allot the ticket. So we would like to make a clarification to the supporters of 17 North. But as of now, the ticket will be decided, as we know, from the central leaders based on survey and based on so many other things. So that is the reason that we would like to make a clarification so that kipat ba kinong krisyan kinum sya elam bakla.